It is. What is it? Good girl. Gentle. That's a good girl. Get it. Get it. Oh, off. Off. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you can't have my phone. You can't have my phone. No, I know you see that and you can't have it. Hey, hey. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. We'll get you some treats. Come here. You're getting wound up. Putting my phone under lockdown. I know. Should we get you some treats and work a little bit? Is that what you need to do? Settle down. Settle down. Off. Good. Sit. Good. Oops, I dropped it. Running up and down the hallway with it. All right, get that one. Get that one here. Go about this one. Get that one. Bring it here. Oh, yeah. No. Good girl. That really is the difference. It's not that she doesn't do it, but she stops when you tell her.
Yeah. Because she bit my leg and I was like, no, I mean, not clamped, but I didn't want it to clamp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause concern. Okay, now do not jump up and clunk your head on this, because you're going to end up with brain damage.
She's like, I'm not that drama kind of people.
Off. Off.
No.
Then she's like, I just don't want to trick myself when I get like this.
She's like, if I take the person down, I get the water.
Sit. Sit. You're getting dripped on. Sit. Good. I always watch my face.
I know. That's where